Hey, my name is Sam and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the VLOOKUP function in Excel to pull in data from other columns. Introducing tips like this to your workflows can drastically reduce manual searches and prevent data entry errors. Let's start with a basic example to understand how VLOOKUP works. Imagine you've got a list of employees in one table and you want to find out their department from another. In our example workbook, column A has employee names, column B has their job titles, and column C contains their departments. We want to pull in the department for a specific person using VLOOKUP. Click on the cell where you want the department result to appear. Then, type the following function. Once you've entered the function, press Enter. Excel will look up the employee's name, search the leftmost column of the specified range, and return the value from the department column. A quick tip: make sure the lookup value exists in the first column of your range, otherwise VLOOKUP won't work properly. Now let's move on to a slightly more advanced example. Imagine you're managing inventory. Column A has product names, column B has stock numbers, and column C shows reorder status. You want to automatically pull in the reorder status for a selected product. Click on your target cell, and again, type the following function. This setup lets you quickly check if a product needs restocking without scanning through the full list, perfect for dashboards or quick reports. To watch our tutorial guide on using index match for more flexible lookups, check out our full breakdown on the channel. A quick reminder: if you need an exact match, always use false as the last argument. True is used for approximate matches, which can return wrong results if your data isn't sorted. And that's everything on how to use VLOOKUP to search data and return matching values in Excel. Don't forget to subscribe for more web tips.